We have recently announced that our council has stepped in to organise temporary solution to the cancellation of two of our vital local bus routes. The two routes in question are the 202 and the 204 services. We know how essential these buses are for our communities, connecting you to work, shopping and, more importantly, medical appointments like those here at Talbot Hospital. Our officers have been working tirelessly behind the scenes over the last week, and I'm grateful for their efforts. I would like to also thank Forge Travel and Select Coaches for stepping in. We've arranged a temporary free shuttle vehicle that will link you to the main bus routes. If you wish to use the free shuttles, please look for details of timings on our website, npt.gov.uk/bus updates, or see the timetable posters we've put up at your usual bus stops. These disruptions are a result of the uncertainty around Welsh Government funding of bus services across the whole of Wales. We as an authority are determined to find a longer-term solution for all the affected routes in our county borough. In fact, just this week, we have had positive community meetings, and we would like to continue our discussions with both the Welsh Government and local bus operators to find the best possible solutions to keep our communities moving. Thank you very much for listening.